Hello everyone, we will continue the topic Web Dynpro ABAP and we are covering OTR as a part of translation methods. And in the previous video, we covered how we can use OTR text in OVS to provide the labels. Now into this particular video, we will study how we can create a long text with the help of SOTR underscore edit transaction code. Because so many people ask, yes, they created the long text, but they are not able to find into these two tables. So we'll go for the answers of all these questions also. So firstly, I will go for SOTR underscore edit transaction code. Now, whenever you have the text more than 255 characters, yes, we need to create long text. So I will simply choose the radio button for the long text. Now I will simply go for create button. Now I will go for the package name. I'll go for same to same package. Suppose I will go for alias. Suppose I will give the alias name, suppose instructions. Now I will go for object type. I will choose Web Dynpro view. Now I will simply provide the text. Now here you have two options. You can simply upload. Yes, if you have text on your desktop, you can simply upload or you can copy paste also. Suppose if I will go for my desktop, on my desktop, I have a text. Yes, so I can upload this also or I can copy paste also. Suppose if I will upload, if I will click on to this button, this is load local file. Now I have this long text. I will simply go for open. Now this text is more than 255 characters. So that's why I'm going for long text. It's a journal text. It's a journal term and condition which we always see. Yes, please read the instructions carefully. Yes. Now whenever I will go for save button, system will simply change the alias name, package name / alias name, and we will get a unique concept number, unique internal number. Suppose if I will go for save. Yes, I will go for OK. Now I will save into transport request. Now this particular concept number generated. Now what? Whenever we are creating OTR text, we are always checking into these two tables, header table and this particular text table. Suppose I will go for this header table. I will go to SC11 transaction code. This is our header table for OTR text. If I will simply go to contents and I will put the concept number. I can search by alias also. Suppose this is the concept number. If I will put this and go for number of entries, you can see number of entries 0. Suppose I will go for text table. SOTR underscore text table. I will display this table. I will go to contents. I'll put the concept number here. Now you can see 0 number of entries. This is what so many people ask. Yes, they are creating the long text, but they are not able to find into these two tables. Yes, whenever you are creating short text, you will be only able to find into these two tables. See, in the previous videos, we always created the short text. That's why we are able to find into these two tables. And yes, I've explicitly put now OTR short text. Now, whenever you want to check for OTR long text, you need to go for SOTR underscore head U, SOTR underscore text U. You need to just put U at the last. This is what is the query from the so many people. You just need to check into different table. SAP provide different tables to store the long text, OTR long text. Suppose if I will go for this particular table, I will go to SC11 transaction code. Now this is our SOTR underscore head U table. If I will go for this, it's clearly written header table for strings in the OTR. Strings means they are talking about long text. If I will go to contents and I will put this concept number, I'll just check the concept number again. I'll copy this and I will put. Now, if I will go for number of entries, now number of entries 1. If I will execute, you can see we are able to find ZOTR underscore text slash instructions. This is what we provided. English language, yes. This is our package name. This is my user ID. So this is our OTR long text. Now I will check into text table. Now, if I will check the text table, text U. It's very easy to remember. You just need to put U at the last. It is clearly writing text table in the OTR with strings. If I will go to contents and put the concept name, if I will go to execute, you can see this is the concept. This is the language English. If I will go to the right, I will be able to find this text. This is a complete text because if I will check the type of this text, if I will check the type of this text, it is of string type, string. So it means it can store more than 2. It can store any character of any length of data, yes, because it is string, yes. It is not limited to 255 characters, yes. It can store data of any length. Now, same way, now I will maintain that translation also. Suppose I will go for go to translation. I can go from go to translation here itself because as of now, this particular window is open. But if you want to go by another way, it's totally your wish. Suppose if I will go to back button, I will go for long text, text search. Now, if I will put the package text, now you can see I'm able to find this. This is what we created, yes. If I will go for double clicking of this, I'll just check. Where is our one? Where is our one? This is ZOTR. This is not our one. This is our, which we created, yes. If I will go for this, yes, this is what we create. Now I can simply go for translation. How I can go for translation? I will double click. Now you can see we are on to same window. You can simply go for go to translation. Now I will put German language. Now I will maintain that text into German. Now you can see how this layout is changing in case of short text and long text. Now here I will put into German language. I already have a text into German language. So suppose this time I will simply go for copy paste feature. I simply used Google search to translate, yes. I will simply go for this. Now I will save. So I maintained that text into German also. If I will check, I will be able to see 2 entries there now. If I will go to back button, I will go for text. Now you can see we will be able to see 2 entries. If I will double click, previously we have only English, now we have German. And same way, we will be able to see into text U table also. SOTR underscore text U. Because ultimately everything is getting stored into tables. If I will go to contents, this is our concept. Previously we have only English, now we have German also. If I will go to the right, you can see this is German and this is our English language. So what is the summary of this particular video? in this video, we studied how to create OTR long text because so many people ask, they created the long text, but they are not able to find the entries into the table. Whenever you are creating a OTR long text, you need to check into different tables. The name of the tables is SOTR underscore head U and SOTR underscore text U. After that, we simply did that translation. And yes, whenever we did that translation, ultimately it is getting, yes, translated text will store into text table. Yes, I showed you whenever you are going for long text, it's totally your wish. You can simply upload from the local file also, or you can copy paste. Now, in the next video, we'll simply display the long text into our web Dynpro component. And after that, we study also, yes, how we can use OTR text into programs. So that's it in this video. Thank you.